In this video, I'm making Tanghulu, which means candied strawberry. I'm taking a pack of strawberries and picking the leaves off each one to make sure no dirt is stuck when I wash it. Then thoroughly wash the strawberries to make sure all the dirt is off. Take a paper towel and dry the strawberries. I'm gently patting the strawberries until they're dry. Take each strawberry and stick a skewer in the middle. Try not to do it too far from the center or else there's a chance the strawberry will fall off. You can also put 2 or 3 strawberries on the same skewer. I did a couple with 2 on each. Then I'm taking a small pot and adding 1 cup or 205 grams of sugar and ½ cup or 115 grams of water. I'm going to mix that until all the sugar loosens up and are combined. Add that to the stove and turn on high heat until the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. You can also tell it's ready from the drop test, which is if you take a bit and drop it in cold water, it automatically hardens up into a ball. Turn the heat off and you can begin to dip the strawberries into the mixture. Be careful because the sugar mixture is 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is well above the boiling point. After you fully coat them, set them on a surface, preferably parchment paper, to let it cool. My placement isn't exactly the best, but it's okay. After I finished, I still had some sugar mixture left, which actually hardened and stuck to the pot. To get it off the pot, just add more water on high heat. After about 10 minutes, the strawberries finally cooled. The shell becomes really crunchy too. Make sure to eat it within the hour or freeze it after it's done cooking because air pockets can actually form between the shell and the strawberry.